Solve the following equations. You've got y squared minus 5 is equal to 31, and b, the square root of x squared plus 23, all divided by 3, is equal to 4. So this is about solving equations with squares and square roots in them. So we've got y squared minus 5 is equal to 31. Because we want to get y on its own, then the opposite of subtracting 5 is to add 5 to both sides. So if we add 5 to this side, we're just going to get y squared, and then 31 plus 5 is equal to 36. Now the opposite process of squaring is to take the square root of both sides. So the square root of y squared is y, and the square root of 36 is going to be plus or minus 6. Don't forget the plus or minus. The reason being is that minus 6 times minus 6 also makes 36. So the two answers, y is equal to minus 6 or y is equal to 6. For this one, we've got the square root of x squared plus 23 over 3 is equal to 4. First step is to the opposite of dividing by 3 is to multiply both sides by 3. So that means on this side we're just going to get the square root of x squared plus 23, and then 3 times 4 gives me 12. Now the opposite of square rooting is to square. So if you square a square root, you're just going to get x squared plus 23, and 12 squared is equal to 144. Now we need to subtract 23 from both sides. So that's going to give the x squared is equal to 144 minus 23, which is 121. And now we need to take the square root of both sides. That's going to give x is equal to the square root of 121, which is plus or minus 11. Don't forget the plus or minus. So for x is equal to minus 11, or x is equal to 11. So this has been a video to show you how to solve equations with squares in them and square roots. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.